Hello Capricorn. So this is your weekly career, business and money reading from 21st to 27th December. Now being a general reading, not all messages might resonate Capricorn, so keep whatever resonates. In this reading, you get to know what opportunities could present itself this week in your career, business or money situation, or what challenges you could face, if any, so that you can handle it better. So let's start Capricorn. General energies of Capricorn, career, business, money situation, 3 shuffles, angels, guides, spirits, guides, please help. General energies of Capricorn, career, business, money situation, angels, guides, spirits, guides, please help. Let's see. Knight of Swords. So very active week, lot of work, oh great, 6 of Wands. So this is 9 of Swords, 9 of Wands, 9, 2 9s, 5 of Wands, the Moon, 3 of Wands. So it's a mixed week, there are quite good moments, happy, joyous ups, and then there are little disappointments, that's a little downs here. But it's going to be a hectic and an active week, lot of communication, lot of hard work. So yes, you will be working hard, family life and love, romance might take a back seat, and you will be totally dedicated to your work here. Yes, there are some victorious moments here Capricorn. There is something, there will be a victorious moment. You will be appreciated, you will be praised for the work you done if you are into media, creative field, or you work, so you will be seen and heard more widely, you will be more visible. Also, there could be a monetary gain for some of you here as part of this success. With applause, with allocates could come monetary gains also for some of you. So money stable situation looks good, although you do not have a pentacle card here. It is going to be, but still there will be certain downs, there will be certain disappointments, there will be certain obstacles, there will be certain delays for which you will be disappointed, you will be hurt, you will feel a little stressed out, but you will sail through. These are minor arcana cards here. So there will be certain aspects in your life which will be very happy and rejoice and victorious situation, and there will be certain situations wherein you were expecting something and it has been delayed, or there has been obstacles, or so that could cause a little stress for you here with the 9 of Wands, 9 of Swords. Yes, it is there. Also Capricorn, I feel that the cooperation, some of you might not get the cooperation that you are looking from the people you work with. Like there could be also it talks about a lot of competition. So some of you will really need to have your skills in place, show your skills, so that you be successful. So if you are going for an interview or in your working situation also, you might face competition in your work, in your career, in your business situation. Maybe your rival business person has given much better rates or much, so it could be something like that. So stiff competition I see here, so be ready for that. Also this calls for not getting cooperation from the people, or a lot of people involved into just a chaos and conflict situation in your work, business. But you will deal with this, you can deal with this with diplomacy, ease and calmness. There's no point wasting energy in this, because this is just a card or drama. It's actually, the issue isn't that big to be get into this conflicting situation, but it is being made big. It's like making a mountain out of a mole kind of situation. So do not invest energies into this kind of situation. It could be in your personal life or professional life, but yes, I do see that there will be some drama, there could be some conflict, sudden conflict at home, or in your office situation. There are certain fears in your mind, so you have certain fears in your mind, whether, oh, will this be successful or not, whether I will complete the targets or not, whether this money is coming or not, various situations going in your mind with the moon card here. So it could cause a little stress for you here. But because I see you, this is a mixed week, there are quite ups and then there are downs here. So there will be a day wherein you will feel like, this a little stressed out about a certain situation. Also some fear here. The fear could be like losing out to a competitor, or not uh, losing out on a competition. I think this is for very few of you here, but it is just fears. It's in your subconscious that you have to keep. It is not an outcome. So please keep that in mind. Then you have this Three of Wands. So Three of Wands, the card of waiting. So maybe you are waiting for something. This will resonate differently. You have done the work, you put in the effort, and you are waiting to hear from the other side for your monetary reward, for the assignment that you will begin, for the project that you will get, for the deal that you will get. So it's about a card of waiting. So this will extend to the next week. This energy will go in the next week. Continuation will be there. So yes, it's a card of waiting, wherein you have put the hard work, you have negotiated well, you have worked and waiting to hear from them. It could be waiting for an interview call. You appeared for an interview and waiting to hear a yes or no, or waiting for a job offer, waiting for a business deal to go through. You have put in your papers, you have done the presentation, now waiting to hear from the other side. So it could resonate differently here. Also you will be planning and looking into the future, the 2021 year. That's what I see, planning for the future, looking into the future. Some of you might take travel, and travel will be beneficial here. Either you will be planning to travel, it could be a long distance travel, it could be a short distance, yes, but travel will be beneficial. You could be traveling for work related or personal life also, but yes, I do see travel for some of you here. There is no pentacle card here, Capricorn, but so whatever money has been coming to you in general will keep coming, but I see some amount of money coming to you suddenly here with the Six of Swords, sudden gain. It could be monetary gain, yeah. So it's something that you have worked on, because you get this victory card after obstacles. So you have worked on a certain situation. So victorious about a certain situation. So money could come from stock market, you have invested before, and you have or a real estate deal, or farming, or buying, selling, or bonus, small bonus. It could be also a promotion coming up with a small raise here. So it could be like that, some settlement coming to you here. So something that you have worked for, Capricorn. So this is this week. Let me pull out an angel guidance card and see what the angel messages for Capricorn. Angel messages for Capricorn here. Angel messages for Capricorn. Dolphin, don't worry, be happy. So very nice card here. Dolphin energy. So don't worry, be happy. Be happy. Your angels messages here. So great. If you do like my readings, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you so much and stay blessed.